The all-new 2026 Toyota Cressida is resurrected, and what's hiding behind its sleek body will shock you. Is it luxury you expect, or raw power no one saw coming? And there's one performance figure at the end that changes everything. Stay to the finish. Bringing you under-the-hood truths about the hottest car drops. Today, we're dissecting the 2026 Toyota Cressida. Redesign, engine performance, price tag, release date, and how it stacks up against rivals like the BMW 3 Series and Mercedes C-Class. Let's break it down. Remember that performance figure I teased in the intro? I'll reveal it at the very end. You'll want to hear it. It might flip your expectations of what luxury sedan means. Toyota has reimagined the Cressida like something out of the future. The 2026 model pulls historical cues, classic long hood, clean pillars, but mixes in modern design, a bold trapezoidal front grille, sharp LED matrix headlamps, integrated light bars, and a sleek, fastback-ish roofline. The interior has been upgraded too. Full digital cluster, about 12-inch, dual curve display setup, about 14-inch infotainment, plus another screen for climate and comfort controls. Premium materials, leather, wood trims, ambient lighting. With stance lowered and 19-inch wheel standard, it commands presence. Which exterior detail do you think makes the biggest noise? Grille, lighting, or roofline? Let me know in comments. Under the hood, initial trims are expected to feature a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4, producing about 300 horsepower and about 400 newton-meters of torque. There's rumor of a plug-in hybrid version too, combining electric boost for low speeds and efficiency, targeting about 50 to 60 kilometers EV-only range. All-wheel drive will be optional on base trims, standard on top luxury ones. Transmission, likely an 8 or 10-speed automatic with sharp shift logic. Toyota promises 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 5.5 seconds for the turbo model. Suspension is adaptive, softer in comfort mode, firmer in sport, dynamic steering for tighter handling. If they nail the PHEV, would you wait for that over the gas-only version? Toyota has announced the 2026 Cressida will go on sale late 2025 in North America, with pricing starting around $45,000 for the base trim. The mid to higher trims, premium, all-wheel drive, or PHEV versions, could climb to $60,000 or $70,000 depending on options. That places it directly against mid-sized luxury sedans like Mercedes C300, BMW 330i, maybe even the Genesis G70. Do you think the Cressida will undercut the Germans, or is this a premium price fight? Okay, here's that jaw-dropper, the performance figure I promised. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just about 5.5 seconds for the turbo model. That's not just quick, it's pushing into sport sedan territory. Combine that with the redesign, tech, and luxury interior, and the 2026 Cressida isn't playing small. It's designed to take on both style and speed. So that's your full scoop on the 2026 Toyota Cressida. Between its bold redesign, solid performance, and competitive pricing, it could be a sleeper luxury sedan. If you enjoyed this leak, smash like, subscribe, hit the bell, because more car secrets are coming.